Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm going to be doing this look that you guys see right here. I call this look the purple fade. The first fade look I did was the pink one. I'm going to be placing it somewhere over here so you guys can see it. I was bored and I did that look. I didn't film it, and I'm really mad I didn't, because even though my purple is like my favorite color, I had a little bit of problems doing this look because I don't have much purple shades in my eyeshadow collection, so I had a little bit of a problem with it, but I did it anyways, and I really enjoyed doing the pink one though. I don't know if I'm going to be filming it because my looks are like a one-hit wonder thing. Like I do them perfectly, or like not perfect, sino que lo más brutal me sale más que una sola vez nada más, y como que si lo vuelvo a tratar otra vez no me salen. Yeah, so yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this look, please keep watching. So guys, to start off this look, I'm going to be taking the KATHIAG Ultimate Mattes, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and I'm going to be placing it in the outer part of my eye. Now I'm going to the Athena palette. I'm going to be taking the shade Justice, and I'm going to be blending it alongside the darker shade. Now I'm going into the NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be taking this purple shade right here. Because the shade Justice is, I'm looking at it and it looks a little bit patchy, I'm going to be taking the shade Swag, and I'm going to be placing it between the lighter shade and the darker shade, and after that I'm going to be try to blend it a little bit with the lighter shade. Now I'm going to go back to the lighter shade. Now I'm going to be taking the Master Holographic from Maybelline, the purple highlighter, and I'm going to be placing a lot of it. It broke today, so I gotta be extra careful. For primer, I'm going to be using the Master Prime Blur and Pore Minimize primer from Maybelline. For foundation, because this is just, I don't think this is a foundation, but I use it as foundation, I'm going to be using the Clinique Even Better makeup. I'm just going to place some on my hand and place it all over my face. Now I'm going to be taking the Milani Correct Conceal and Perfect Concealer. For powder, I'm going to be using the Airspun Loose Setting Powder. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer in the shade Sunset Striptease. For blush, I'm going to be using the Stila Color Custom Color Blush in Self-Adjusting Bronze. Okay, now that I finally got my lashes on, I'm going to go back to the eyes, and I'm going to be placing the darker, the medium shade and the light shade all over my lower lash line. O sea, no my lower lash line, sino como que en la partecita esa de abajo del ojo. Ustedes saben dónde lo voy a poner. Anyways, I'm going to be taking this brush to do that because I want it to be like small. I want it to be like super big. Now I'm going to be taking the CheriGlow Diamond Highlighter in the shade Celestial, and that's the highlighter I'm going to use for my face. For lips, I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Madison. So yeah guys, this is as you guys can see, this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram at Katgigimakeup. And also for the CheriGlow Diamond Highlighter, I have a discount code with them, and I think it's Katgigimakeup if I'm not mistaken. If it's not Katgigimakeup, I'm going to be placing it down below so you guys can save some money while getting some awesome highlighter that you're going to glow. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.